Hey guys, it's Chantel here with Sweet Job Spot. Here to talk to you a little bit about the call center and some of the opportunities we have. I don't know where to look. I'm looking down at my screen, but I should be looking at you. We have some really great call center opportunities right now that are available. Um, and just for those of you who were curious, who didn't really quite understand maybe how Arise works or how the call center opportunities work, they're part and full-time call center opportunities. You get to set your own hours and make your own money. So far, I've been with the call center since September, and I really decided to do it just, if you were wondering, for those who were wondering, I decided to do it because I went to a temp agency after having lost my job, and they told me they had an opportunity for me, but that opportunity, it paid about somewhere around $15 an hour, and it would have been an hour commute each way to work and home. Plus, you have to take an hour for lunch. And I had done that commute recently before, like I just finished a call center opportunity where I had to do that. And I thought to myself, well, it doesn't really make a lot of sense if I want to have my own business to commute that far away every single day. I was tired. I would come home for the other job I had. I would come home and I'd just be too tired to really do anything else. I was basically gone for about 11 to 12 hours every single day. And I thought, well, what other opportunities are out there for me? So when I lost that position, I started to look at other opportunities, and the call center came to mind. And I said to myself, well, if you really want to, sorry, I'm just going to move this up a little bit. If you really want to make money, and you want to have some time freedom, and you don't want to travel, and you don't want to spend 3 hours a day, you're not working, you're just either traveling or you've got to stay in that area just so that you could have lunch, and then spend money on lunch and eat food you don't really want to eat, and, all that good stuff. Or, you can do everything from the comfort of your own home, and even if you don't work as many hours, you don't even have to work as many hours because you don't have to pay for gas, you don't have to go out and have lunches. You don't have to buy work clothes. You can work in like whatever you have at home that's clean, nobody's really looking, and it's over the call center, and it'll give you free time to study for other things. I was getting in the process of getting my PMP certification. I had some classes that I needed to take, and I needed to study and look for other kinds of work, start my business. It enabled me to really change my time. So I really had a lot more time to just was a lot more flexible. It was a commitment. I'm not gonna lie. It's not necessarily like you just sign up and you get a job and you start working the next day. No, you have to go and get certified. It's really easy. I think the certifications, the instructors are good. They make the classes simple. They're easy to follow along. They have some classes you can take on your own, self-paced homework and stuff like that, just to reinforce what you learn in class. And, you get multiple attempts to study and learn things as you go along before you have to take a test. You do have to be certified, and just like going to school and getting your degree, you have to get a certification the same way, but it's a lot cheaper. So, for less than the price of 1 month in a dorm room, in college, or less than the price of a book. I mean, a college book is like $100, you can take a class, and that class will pay you once you pass. The other really good thing about it is you're pretty much guaranteed work after you take the class. So you're eligible to work the day after you finish all your certifications, and they put you in the system. You're eligible to pick hours to start working. It can take it can take a few weeks to get to full force. So, not to say that like it's a bad thing. It's really a good thing because you're not shoved into it. You don't have to go and like go from I never did this before to working 40 hours a week. You go and you do like 5 hours one week and then 10 hours and then you do your 15 hours on a regular basis once everything starts to level out. They have some really great seasonal clients that you can work with too. So, if you're just trying to make some money for like a couple of months, we've got a tax client. And then for those who want to do like long term, we have the company that I work with, Arise. They have probably about 20 different clients that they work with throughout the year. And they come and go. So there's some that they mostly work with during the holiday season. There's some they work all year round. And I mean, they have vacation clients. They have clients that do health insurance and healthcare, and clients that do office supplies, and clients that do home services. So it's like a lot of different choices. And I really liked it because the best thing was, I could sign up and look and wait to find the class I liked. I didn't have to pay first. I didn't have to like join and pay and then I get to see what the classes are. No, you can just join and then you can, when the class comes up that you like, you just take it. And that's what I liked about it so much. The classes fill up. Some of them fill up really fast. They're gone within a day. And some of them take a little longer depending on who the client is and, if people have heard of them before. And, they've got some really great clients with a lot of good reputation. So, a lot of the companies really like them. So that's what I decided to do while I develop my other businesses. I know some of you have probably seen me posting about a lot of different things. I get really excited to do different things. So, never want to put your eggs in one basket. We always want to be having multiple streams of income. And this is just one of my streams of income. So I would love to have you guys join me in the call center. For those of you who've already registered or started the registration process, just check your email and you should be able to go in and finish it. For those of you who haven't, you can click the link and you will get more information about the call center. And like I said, it's work for yourself, work from home. You do have to pay for the certification, but you don't have to pay to register. So here's the deal. Register, look, see what's available, learn about it, and when you're ready to take a class, just hit submit, and then you're in class. So there's going to be a background check. There'll be a couple assessments. There's a few things you have to do. They don't take everybody for every class. So you still do have a process you have to go through, just like with any job, but it's not a job interview. It's not whether they like you as a person or you look a certain way or, your hair's done that way or whatever. It's just, it's just you being yourself over the phone, being comfortable, providing really good customer service. You always have to think customer first. And, put your thinking cap on before you take an assessment. I hope you can join me at Sweet Job Spot Virtual Services. Our department's growing. We have lots of people signing up every day, and we have some other opportunities coming up as well. So I hope to see you, and click the link. And if you guys have questions, just ask them below. We have a lot of answers, and my website has a lot of answers and videos and stuff on it too. So look forward to speaking to you soon. See you on the other side, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.